Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply a LUT to all clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want a consistent color grade across your entire project without having to manually apply the same LUT to each individual clip. Let's jump right into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded with all the clips you want to color grade. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Color. This switches you from the editing workspace into the color grading environment where all the magic happens. The interface will change to show you color wheels, scopes, and most importantly, your node editor. Now direct your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll find the Nodes option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the Nodes panel, you'll notice it says Clip with a small arrow down beside it. This is the key to applying your LUT across multiple clips instead of just one. Click that arrow down to open the menu, and from the options that appear, select Timeline. By switching from clip to timeline, you're telling DaVinci Resolve that any changes you make here should affect your entire timeline rather than a single clip. At this point, check the node panel in the center of your screen. If there's no node visible, you'll need to create one. Simply press Alt-S on your keyboard to add a node. This node will act as the container for your LUT and will apply it universally across all your clips. It's a simple step, but crucial for the process to work. Next, look at the top left of your screen and click on LUTs. This opens the LUTs panel where all your available lookup tables are stored. Browse through and find the LUT you want to apply to your entire timeline. Once you've located it, click and drag that LUT directly onto the node you just created in the node panel. Release it, and the LUT will be applied. And that's it. If you click through the different clips on your timeline, you'll see that the LUT you dragged is now applied to all of them. This method saves you tons of time and ensures your entire project has a unified, professional look without any inconsistencies. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.